to sneak in late to the office. Am I right, Marvin? Good advice, by the way, on schedule sending the first email for 6:15 in the morning. Got to sleep in a little. Morning, team. Today we really dig in and get our hands dirty on this next round of assets for the client. Also, I didn't see you reply. Or anyone, actually. Okay, but check out this part. As Alan Thicke once said, when you saw 2 pairs of footprints in the sand, that's when I was carrying you. LOL.
The entire production team has been disappeared.
Like everyone called out? What do you mean, been disappeared?
They were abducted in the middle of the night. I'm talking black bags, zip ties, unmarked vans.
Oh my god! But I finally got to kick off a work day.
That's what you're worried about? Dana's husband met me in the parking lot in fucking shambles? And you want to make this about you and your misattributed inspirational quotes?
No, of course not. I am also really upset. I just also thought people might finally see me as an early bird. But in the words of Mark Twain, it's a hard knock life. So if everyone in production was abducted, why are you still here?
I have been sleeping at the office because Paula and I are having a very rough separation.
If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Jack Nicholson. A few good men.
Fuck this, I'm gonna work from Starbucks. Oh my god!
It's a hard knock.